Warning, your kitchen might feel a little outdated after this. These gadgets are so clever, so ridiculously useful, you'll start questioning every dollar you've ever spent at the store. And trust me, once you see these, you're gonna want all of them. So hit that like button, subscribe, and check the links in the description before your kitchen gets jealous. This White Rhino pickle jar is the upgrade every pickle fan secretly needed. Just flip it, and the built-in silicone strainer lets the brine drain to the bottom, so you can grab olives, jalapenos, or pickles without wrestling your hand into the jar. Then flip it back and everything soaks again to stay fresh and full of flavor. It has a double leak-proof lid, a non-slip silicone base, and a wide mouth that makes scooping and cleaning super easy. The borosilicate glass is thick, durable, and safe for dishwashers and fridges. Perfect for pickles, kimchi, cherries, peppers, and more. You can pick it up for $15.94. This Zule Kitchen Pineapple Corer is the tool that makes you wonder why you ever battled a pineapple with a knife. It peels, cores, and slices the fruit in one smooth motion, thanks to its sharp serrated blade and curved edges that create perfect, even rings. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it cuts cleanly without crushing the fruit, and the BPA-free materials keep everything safe and fresh. The ergonomic handle has a comfortable, non-slip grip, and it detaches so you can easily slide the pineapple rings right off. No wrestling, no sticky mess. Even with firm pineapples, the corer moves through the center with surprisingly little effort, saving your wrists and your patience. It's quick to use, dishwasher-friendly, rust-resistant, and much safer than trying to hack through a pineapple with a chef's knife. The compact design makes it easy to store or take with you, perfect for home cooks, pros, and anyone who loves fresh fruit without the drama. You can pick it up for $12.49. The Ordora 8-tier pan organizer is the answer to that cabinet disaster, where every pot and pan is stacked like a leaning tower waiting to collapse. This rack gives you a solid, non-slip structure with adjustable dividers, each one covered in rubber, so your cookware stays in place and doesn't get scratched or slide out when you're not looking. You can assemble it in 3 different ways: double-sided vertical, single-sided vertical, or horizontal. No tools needed. Just slot the dividers into the grooves and you're done in seconds. It's sturdy iron from top to bottom, so it doesn't warp or wobble, even when holding heavy pans or cast iron. With 8 adjustable levels, it fits everything from big skillets to baking sheets, lids, cutting boards, trays, and more. No more digging to find the pan at the bottom or creating cookware avalanches every time you cook. It clears up cabinet clutter, keeps your kitchen tidy, and makes your tools easy to access. You can pick it up for $29.99. The Techwood Portable Double Burner is the backup cooking station every busy kitchen, or tiny kitchen, wishes it had. Compact and easy to move, it fits perfectly in dorms, RVs, offices, studios, or anywhere you need extra heat without installing a full stove. With 1800 watts split between 2 thermostatically controlled burners, you can boil pasta on one side while keeping soup warm on the other. It heats quickly, stays steady, and works with almost any cookware: aluminum, copper, stainless steel, even cast iron. The stainless steel body is tough enough for daily use, resisting dents, scratches, and the occasional camping mishap. And the cool touch handles make it easy to carry without burning your fingertips. It's practical, durable, and genuinely useful for everyday cooking or travel. You can pick it up for $76.99. The Livaber fruit basket doesn't just hold produce, it makes your entire counter look intentional and stylish. It's a 3-tier metal organizer with a built-in banana hook, all supported by a heavy marble base that keeps everything stable while adding a classy touch. The marble is unique on every unit, giving your kitchen a little custom decor moment without the custom price. Each tier gives you plenty of space for fruits, veggies, bread, snacks, or whatever usually ends up rolling around the counter. The open wire design lets air circulate so produce stays fresh longer instead of getting soft and forgotten. The banana hanger keeps them from bruising and helps them ripen evenly. No more sad banana piles. The metal frame is rust-resistant and durable, built to handle daily use without scratching or bending. Assembly is quick, just a few screws and you're done in about 10 minutes. Once set up, it keeps your kitchen organized, clean, and genuinely more pleasant to look at. You can pick it up for $35.99. The crafty crocodile egg slicer is the little kitchen tool that instantly makes your plates look way more professional. Instead of wrestling with a knife and ending up with uneven pieces, this slicer gives you 3 cutting modes: wedges, cubes, or clean horizontal slices, so your eggs look perfect every time. The stainless steel blades are sharp and sturdy, and the base has a container to catch everything neatly. It's not just for eggs either. You can use it for strawberries, mushrooms, kiwis, olives, grapes, cherry tomatoes, pretty much anything that needs quick, uniform cuts. It makes salads prettier, sandwiches easier, and garnishes look like you suddenly took a culinary class. Using it is simple. Place the boiled egg, close the top, and you're done. Cleanup is just as easy. Rinse it or toss it in the dishwasher. The compact design makes it easy to store without taking over your drawers. A small tool that adds big convenience to daily cooking. You can pick it up for $23.89. The Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster is the kind of kitchen upgrade that quietly fixes breakfast without taking over your counter. Its Fits Anywhere TM design is surprisingly slim, which means it actually fits where other toasters refuse. Tight corners, small apartments, dorms, RVs, you name it. The extra long 10-inch slot handles everything from standard bread to thick sourdough slices without forcing you to jam them in at weird angles. With 6 shade levels plus reheat and cancel buttons, you can finally get toast the way you like it instead of burnt on one side, confused on the other. If a slice gets stuck, the anti-jam feature and auto shutoff keep things safe, so you're not fishing bread out with a fork like it's a high-risk mission. At 900 watts, it heats quickly but doesn't hog power, making it great for everyday use. It's compact, reliable, and looks clean on any countertop. Perfect for anyone who wants good toast without bulky appliances taking over the kitchen. You can pick it up for $24.99. The AMZ CHEF Cold Press Juicer is built for anyone who's tired of chopping fruit into tiny pieces just to make a single glass of juice. Its 5.4-inch Wide-Chute is huge. You can drop in whole apples, oranges, or big chunks of veggies and let the dual auto-cutting blades slice everything for you. No prep, no fuss, just fast juicing. It uses a slow 60 RPM masticating system that avoids clogging and keeps juice clean and smooth. The triple strainer setup separates pulp and juice perfectly, giving you a fresh, natural flavor without gritty bits floating around. The upgraded auger applies strong pressure at low speed, squeezing out every drop so nothing goes to waste. The stainless steel exterior looks sleek, stays durable, and the side ventilation keeps the motor from overheating during long sessions. Assembly is shockingly easy. Only 3 parts click together in seconds, and cleanup is just as simple with the included brush. You can pick it up for $85.47. This sliding pizza peel makes transferring your pizza feel almost magical. With a gentle pull or push, the non-stick cloth lets your dough glide smoothly, so toppings stay in place and the crust keeps its perfect shape. The wooden board is reinforced with a sturdy handle that locks firmly, so you don't get that terrifying, "Is this coming loose?" moment. Once your pizza is out, the stainless steel rocker cutter gives you clean, even slices. No dragging cheese or uneven edges. The all-metal blade is rust-proof, easy to wash, and comes with a protective cover. You also get an extra high-temperature non-stick cloth to extend the peel's life and keep everything easy to clean. It's great for pizzas, bread, pies, or anything you need to pull from the oven without burning your arms. You can pick it up for $29.99. The Noviti Countertop Dishwasher is proof that small appliances can still do big jobs. Even though it's compact enough to sit on almost any counter, it fits 4 full place settings and dishes up to 12 inches when loaded at an angle. Perfect for families of 3 or 4, or anyone tired of doing dishes in a tiny apartment or RV sink. It works with 2 water setups. Fill the built-in 5-liter tank for a no installation option, or hook it directly to your faucet with the included hose. Once the water level is right, it starts automatically, so you don't have to guess. There are 5 wash programs, including a baby care mode that heats to 167 degrees Fahrenheit to deep clean bottles, oily dishes, or glassware. The 3-in-1 system washes, air dries for 60 minutes, and then ventilates for up to 72 hours to keep everything fresh and odor-free. Inside, you get racks for cutlery, space for bowls and cups, and dual spray arms that give dishes a streak-free shine. There's even a fruit basket for quick rinsing. Speed mode finishes a wash in just 29 minutes for those rush hour nights. You can pick it up for $339. This 2-in-1 electric fly swatter gives you serious bug zapping power with a satisfying zap every time it connects. With a 4,100-volt grid, it knocks out mosquitoes, flies, gnats, and fruit flies on contact. No chemicals, no sprays, no mercy. You can use it handheld in on-1 mode by pressing the blue button. or switch to On 2 and place it on the base so the built-in purple light quietly attracts and eliminates bugs for you while you sleep. The triple-layer safety mesh keeps shocks contained, so you don't accidentally zap yourself mid-swing. It runs on an 1800 mAh battery and charges through USB-C, either on the base or directly on the handle. The battery display makes it easy to know when it's ready for action. Lightweight, easy to grip, and simple to clean, it's perfect for indoor and outdoor use. You can pick it up for $31.99. The Sicily Rotating Sink Caddy is the kind of organizer that instantly brings order to the chaos around your faucet. Its standout feature is the rotatable spout that swivels in 3 directions, guiding excess water straight into the sink instead of letting it pool on your countertop. No more nasty puddles or constantly emptying a drip tray. Just clean, dry space. Despite its compact size, it fits dish soap, a sponge, a sink stopper, and even includes an upgraded brush holder that can store up to 4 brushes of different sizes. Perfect for small kitchens where every inch matters. Made from premium stainless steel, it resists rust, stays sturdy, and rinses clean in seconds. The Smart Divider layout gives you 3 separate storage zones, keeping everything organized, upright, and easy to reach. It arrives ready to use, no assembly, no fuss, and works great in kitchens, bathrooms, or anywhere you need tidy storage. A simple way to declutter your counter and make your sink area look instantly cleaner. You can pick it up for $13.29. The Chef and Cob Corn Stripper turns removing kernels into a quick, almost fun kitchen task. Just twist it around a cooked or raw cob, and the stainless steel blades inside neatly shave off the kernels. No mess, no flying pieces, no wrestling with a knife. Since the blades are fully enclosed, it's kid-friendly and safe for family cooking sessions. Even little helpers can strip corn without you hovering nervously. Despite its small size, it works fast and leaves you with a bowl full of perfectly separated kernels for salads, soups, salsas, or freezing for later. When you're done, just toss it in the top rack of the dishwasher and call it a day. It's compact, easy to store, and one of those simple gadgets that genuinely makes life easier, especially during corn season. You can pick it up for $7.5. The LifeWit 2-tier coffee station organizer is the upgrade your countertop didn't know it needed. With 10 spacious compartments, it keeps everything from coffee pods and creamers to tea bags, sugars and stirrers neatly arranged and easy to grab. No more digging through random drawers before your first cup of the day. The 2-tier layout gives you 7 compartments on the bottom for all your small items, while the top tier holds cups and lids so everything stays in one tidy, compact space. The upper layer can even be removed if you want a more open setup. 4 silicone pads on the base keep the organizer firmly in place, and the sloped front compartments make grabbing items effortless. Made from food-grade PP plastic, it's sturdy, crack-resistant, and simple to wipe clean. The glossy black finish and bold coffee label make it look intentional, not cluttered. Perfect for kitchens, office break rooms, dorms, cafes, or hotel stations, it keeps your coffee zone clean, organized, and actually enjoyable to use. You can pick it up for $19.97. The SCH ViewBee NR Apple Corer takes the hassle out of prepping apples, pears, and other firm fruits. With double serrated stainless steel blades, it cuts cleanly through the center in one smooth push, giving you a perfectly intact fruit without the core. No slicing, no wrestling with a knife, no uneven chunks, just a simple press, twist, and you're done. The ergonomic non-slip handle makes it easy to control, even when dealing with extra firm apples, and the commercial-grade steel stays sharp, rust-free, and dishwasher safe. Cleanup takes seconds, whether you toss it in the dishwasher or rinse it under the tap. It's perfect for school snacks, baking, party platters, or anyone who wants quick prep without destroying the fruit. A small tool, but surprisingly useful in any kitchen. You can pick it up for $9.99. The Eurolux Electric Citrus Juicer turns squeezing oranges and lemons into a ridiculously easy task. Its upgraded 120-watt motor is quiet but powerful, delivering the same performance as higher-watt juicers while using less energy and lasting longer. Just press the soft grip handle down, and the machine starts automatically. No twisting, no straining, no sticky hands. Release the pressure, and it shuts off on its own. The built-in filter keeps seeds and pulp out of your glass, giving you clean, smooth juice every time. Whether you're making lemonade, orange juice, or a fresh citrus mix for cocktails, it produces double the clarity without the hassle of stopping to pick out pits. The universal cone fits almost any citrus fruit, small limes, big grapefruits, whatever you have, so there's no swapping parts or guessing which attachment goes where. Made from stainless steel, it's sturdy, stylish, and looks sharp on any kitchen counter. The parts detach for easy cleaning and are dishwasher safe, making it simple to maintain. You can pick it up for $53.54. The Apollo Walker Picnic Backpack is basically a full picnic experience disguised as a stylish, easy-to-carry bag. It's designed for 4 people and comes packed with stainless steel cutlery, plates, napkins, wine glasses, a cheese knife, salt and pepper shakers, a cutting board, and even a bottle opener. Pretty much everything except the food. The insulated main compartment is larger than most competitors, keeping meals warm or cold for longer, and the detachable wine cooler fits a full bottle securely. You also get a waterproof fleece blanket measuring 45 by 53 inches, perfect for parks, beaches, concerts, or impromptu romantic getaways. The backpack itself is comfortable thanks to padded shoulder straps and a sturdy top handle. With multiple compartments, everything has a place, and it stays neat instead of rattling around like a chaotic picnic basket. It's a thoughtful gift for families, couples, travelers, or anyone who loves eating outdoors without the inconvenience. You can pick it up for $51.98. This handheld electric noodle machine is perfect for anyone who loves fresh pasta, but refuses to spend half the day wrestling with a rolling pin. Just add your prepared dough, press a button, and the machine does the hard work, pressing, shaping, and extruding noodles automatically. It comes with 6 different shaping plates, so you can switch between wide noodles, thin noodles, flat cuts, hollow styles, or classic strands. Whether you want Italian-style pasta or something closer to homemade ramen, it keeps things fun and customizable. The compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens and tight countertops, and because it's cordless, you can use it anywhere without dragging a cable across the counter. All parts detach for easy cleaning, and the included brush set helps you clear out any leftover dough so everything stays in great condition. It's simple, quick, and surprisingly satisfying to use. You can pick it up for $33.88. This 5-in-1 opener is the tiny kitchen hero that solves every "why is this so hard to open" moment. It pops beer bottles, lifts soda can tabs, twists stubborn plastic caps, opens jars, and even handles pull tabs without hurting your fingers or breaking a nail. Its ergonomic non-slip grip is perfect for kids, seniors, anyone with weak hands, or anyone who just hates battling packaging. The curved hook adds extra leverage, and the textured interior keeps lids from slipping so you use less force and get more results. It's compact, durable, and easy to toss into a drawer, bag, or picnic basket. A small tool that genuinely makes everyday life easier. You can pick it up for $3.99. The Naretva 20-in-1 bread maker is basically your own mini bakery disguised as a compact kitchen appliance. With 20 automatic programs, you can make everything from classic white bread and French loaves to gluten-free recipes, pizza dough, yogurt, jam, desserts, and even meat floss. Yes, it really does all that. The 2-pound capacity means you can bake enough for the whole family in a single batch. Its dual heater system surrounds the loaf with even heat from both the top and bottom, giving you fluffier bread and better crusts. And thanks to the 550-watt motor, bake times are much faster than traditional machines. The non-stick ceramic pan contains no chemicals, resists sticking, and cleans easily. No soaking, no scrubbing. The full metal body is sturdy, heat-resistant, and built to last. You also get a 15-hour delay timer, 1-hour keep warm, and a power interruption recovery feature, so your fresh bread schedule can finally match your real-life schedule. Even better, the motor runs under 40 decibels, meaning your kitchen won't sound like a construction site at dawn. It includes all the accessories you need: paddles, measuring tools, a glove, a recipe book, and it's incredibly easy to use. You can pick it up for $111.96.